Hi there, so I wanted to do a really quick video on how to solve for elapsed time. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and start with number 2, and we're going to solve that one together. So the start time is at 6:45 p.m. and the end time would be 11:30 p.m. So we're going to see how I got the answer of 4 hours and 45 minutes. So I'm going to break it down using a T-chart. So let's go ahead and draw the T-chart. I'll end up using two T-charts, but for now I'm going to start with one. I'm going to put the start time on this side of my T-chart, which was 6:45. And over here, I'm going to break it down into hours because I'm going to count by hours first. So first off, if it was at 6:45 and I go 1 hour later, it would be 7:45. If I go another hour, it would be 8:45. If I go a third hour, it would be 9:45. If I go a fourth hour, it would be 10:45. Now we're not quite there, but I do need to stop counting by hours because if I go one more hour, it would make it 11:45, and that's past the end point. So I'm going to come over, I'm going to make a second T-chart. I'm going to use this ending time as my new start time. 10:45, and this time instead of counting by hours, I'm going to count by minutes, but I want to do every 15 minutes to make it a little faster. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do 15 minutes later, which would make this 10:45 turn into 11. I'm going to do another 15 minutes, which would make the 11 now be 11:15. I'm going to do another 15 minutes, which would get it to 11:30, which is the final end time. So first things first, I'm going to look at the hours and see how many hours had passed. We had 4 hours. Then I'm going to calculate the minutes. So what I'm going to do is add up the minutes. So 3 sets of 5 give me 15. I'm going to carry the 1. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 45 minutes. So in all, 4 hours and 45 minutes have passed from the start time, which was 6:45, to the end time, which was 11:30. And you can easily do a T-chart situation like this to solve most of the elapsed time problems. It does take a minute or two, but it's an easy way to make sure you get the correct answer. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.